Hey guys, I just got Halo 4 and I'm gonna go unbox it right now. And it comes with Walmart exclusive, includes 1 month of Xbox Live Gold and plus 480 Microsoft points. Oh, I'm gonna unbox it. See if anything's behind this. And it comes with this exclusive 480 Microsoft points plus 1 month of live. Let me see if there's 2 codes. I think there's 2 codes, so let's open this. It's always this part. Ready? Here it is. Halo 4 with 2 discs. I don't know what disc this is, but disc 1 right here and disc 2. It's a pretty good game, but only comes with this. I don't get that. No manual? That makes sense, but yeah. So it says remove this cover sheet for important game and safety. There's a cover sheet. It's just a case. And do not, and that's so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll post more videos. Thanks.